All parties Hurriyat Conference has said that the Kashmir dispute is the main obstacle to cordial relations between Pakistan and India, as well as to the peace, progress, and prosperity of the South Asian region. APHC spokesman Advocate Abdul Rashid Minhas, while addressing a group of the youth in Srinagar, said that peace, economic development, and the good relations between the two neutral powers, India and Pakistan, cannot be achieved until a headway is made on the Kashmir dispute. The felling of the centuries-old chinar trees in the Islamabad district is being widely condemned, with the political leaders, environmentalists, and the activists demanding an independent inquiry into the anti-heritage and the anti-environmental activity. The chinar trees, a protected species under the Occupied Kashmir Preservation of the Specified Trees Act 1969, are revered as symbols of the Kashmir's heritage. The nation is commemorating the 6th anniversary of the Operation Swift Retort today, as on this day in 2019, the Pakistan Air Force gave a befitting response to the India's aggression, marking a historic day in the annals of the military history. Operation Swift Retort not only exposed India's vulnerabilities in the conventional warfare, but it also shattered its claim of the military superiority in the region. In what experts blame the poor health infrastructure for the high rates of mortality, only one among the 3 children survives cancer in occupied Kashmir, reveals a recent study. Getting diagnosed in the later stages of the disease, just one of the 3 patients achieved remission, the study carried on the periodic cancer patients of the Kashmir has shown. Indian authorities have denied permission for the funeral prayers of the Dr. Sibtain Masoodi, father-in-law of the Mirwais Umar Farooq Jamia Masjid in Nohatta, Srinagar. The authorities cited the need to prevent any kind of law and order situation as the reason for their decision.